vagina is a reproductive organ. Regardless of gender, we all start out the same in the womb. A process called atrophy inhibits the development of the anatomy we don't need. Ducts, called Wolffian ducts, develop in the male into the vas deferens and other tubes that connect the testes to the penis. In the female embryo, the ducts waste away. Other ducts, called Mullerian ducts, develop in the female into the uterus and vagina, but in the male embryo, these ducts disappear. So men have no organ equivalent to the vagina. Male orgasm triggers ejaculation of semen, which is a reproductive event, but female orgasm has no biological or reproductive function, which is weird because normally we only evolve capacities that are necessary to survival or reproduction. It is highly unlikely that women would have evolved the ability to orgasm quite independently of men, involving an organ that men don't have. Female orgasm is an evolutionary redundancy that only exists because of the anatomy that women have in common with men. The vagina is part of the birth canal and develops from primitive egg ducts, which, like nearly all other internal body structures, are poorly supplied with nerves. This insensitivity of the vagina has long been recognised by gynecologists who probe and do superficial operations in this area without using anaesthesia. In her book, Hot Sex, Tracy Cox explains, "The vagina itself is a muscular tube of about 8 centimetres that expands to fit any size penis with ease. When your partner initially penetrates you, the muscles of the vagina contract and grip the penis. As you continue intercourse, the vagina expands even further, sometimes so much so that you can't feel his penis inside you, no matter how large it is. There is no way the vagina could ever be a sex organ. It is basically a void, but also no one orgasms by somebody else prodding or poking at any part of their anatomy. So in conclusion, we think that a man should be able to stimulate a woman to orgasm through intercourse, but there is no research to support this assumption.